Hey guys, it's Esther and we're gonna learn how to draw Piranha Plant from the Mario game series. So first let's start with the U, a very wide big U, and this is gonna be pretty much the base of the plant of the top. And then draw a bubbly V, and this V is pretty open as well, and then add the teeth, triangles, and then an oval on the bottom, and then add just random circles on the plant. After that, we're gonna draw the stem. So the stem is just 2 sticks down, and we're gonna make it pretty thick. And then we're gonna add a curve up like a parenthesis, and then let's do the opposite. And then let's add a little bit of soil because it's a plant. Then we're gonna draw 2 lines from the edges going down evenly. And then let's make that curve that you just created and make it again, 2 lines down and that same curve. Alright, now let's add a little reflection on it, so it's kind of like a rectangle faded out on one side. And then for the leaves, we're going to curve up and then down, and then up and then a little bit to the side, and then add another one. So then this curve up and then down, then up and then a little bit down. Those are the leaves. Now for the coloring. So I'm going to color it like the original plant, but if you would like to make your own piranha, go ahead and do so. So now I'm gonna color the rest green, but using 2 greens. For the left, we're gonna color it with the lighter color, and then on the right with a darker color, making it seem more 3D. But you can do one color if you would like. Like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.